Before investing, everyone hears one scary line. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. But tell me honestly, have you ever stopped and asked, what is this risk actually? Does risk mean you will lose all your money, or does it mean something else? Today in this video, I will explain risk in mutual fund in the simplest language possible. After this video, you will never fear this word again. Let us first understand risk in normal life. Risk means uncertainty. It means you don't know the result in advance. Sometimes the result is good, sometimes the result is bad. If the result was always fixed, there would be no risk. Suppose today you go outside without umbrella. If it does not rain, you are happy. If it rains, you are in trouble. When you left your home, you were not sure what will happen. This not being sure is called risk. Let me give you another simple example. If you go somewhere by bus, it is slow but safe. If you go by bike, it is fast but more risky. Bike can reach faster, but bike also has more uncertainty. More speed, more risk. Less speed, less risk. Exactly the same things happen in mutual fund. Your money is invested in the market, and market goes up and down every day. Some days your money will grow, some days its value will fall. This up and down is called risk. Please remember this line. Risk does not mean loss. Risk only means result is not fixed. Loss is possible. Profit is also possible. Now a big question. If mutual fund has risk, why do people still invest? Because without risk, big growth is impossible. Money grows when it is invested in businesses and companies. And businesses always has ups and downs. Fixed deposit feels safe because result is already decided. Mutual fund feels scary because result is not decided. But remember, safety always means slow growth. Always remember this golden rule. More return needs more risk. Less risk gives less return. There is no magic investment in the world. You should be extra careful. If you need this money very soon, you cannot sleep when market falls. You check your investment every day. Mutual fund needs time and patience. Here is a beautiful truth. Time reduces risk. Short time, more tension. Long time, less tension. Market may fall today, but over long time, it usually recovers and grows. Think like this. If you look at the market for one day, it looks risky. If you look at the market for 10 years, it looks powerful. So today you learned risk in mutual fund does not mean danger. It means journey with ups and downs. If you give time, patience, discipline, risk slowly becomes your friend. If you like simple finance explained video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.